I know I'm moving pretty fast, but it's really self-explanatory once you get on the app. From here, we're just going to prepare your documents, which is your dispute letter, your Avalon letter, your ID, and your social security number if you have it. Now create an account with CFPB, which is consumerfinance.gov. Scroll down and click on the Start a New Complaint. Sign up and verify your email. What is this complaint about? Credit reporting or other personal consumer. What type of credit reporting product? Credit reporting. Click Next. What type of problem are you having? Incorrect information on your report. Which best describes your problem? Account information incorrect. Have you already tried to fix this problem with the company? Yes. Did you request information from the company? Yes. What information did you request? Optional. Did the company provide this information? No. The first part, copy and paste the reply trafficking block request to matter. Please do not check the box below. But in the first box, copy and paste dispute letter, but copy the last two sentences that start with please block, please send. Attach your 4 documents. The company that this complaint is about is TransUnion LLC Consumer Dispute Center. Check and add your social security number, last 4 digits, and date of birth. Do you want to complain about another company? No. Who are you submitting this complaint for? Myself. Add address, info only. Leave everything else blank. Review. Once you scroll to make sure all info is correct, only check the last 2 boxes, submit your complaint, and your scores will start to look like this.